Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Math Tech. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to change the join date on Facebook. For that, you need to first open Facebook application. Make sure to sign in on your Facebook account. Then tap on the upper right corner three-line menu icon. Once you appear on this menu section, you need to tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on Settings. When you reach on Settings and Privacy page, tap on See More in Account Center. When you are on this Account Center, scroll down and under Account Setting, you need to tap on Your Information and Permissions. Simply tap on Access Your Information. So now scroll down and under Your Information, there is Personal Information. Tap on it. When you scroll down, then you can see Profile Information. Simply tap on your account creation date, and here you can see the date you created your account, that is October 6, 2023. But unfortunately, Facebook does not allow or give authority to us to change the creation date or the join date on the Facebook. So the only option to change the join date on the Facebook is to delete your account and create a new account and set a new creation date or the join date on the Facebook. So I hope you understood the information that I have given on this video. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.